Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in any server on Roblox. So all what you have to do is so simple. Choose any server you want. For example, I choose a Discord's server. Now I'm gonna wait a few seconds until it starts and I'm gonna show you how to fix the lag. First thing you have to do is go to the server as we said. Now let's wait a few seconds. And here you go. Now it's here, it's loading, and then all what you have to do after it's on the server, go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo, go to settings and go to graphics mode, make it manual and make the graphics quality as low as possible, and then click on resume. Now all what you have to do is go and play and enjoy. It's gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.